recently found out that the art show is back on, and so it's all actions go to prepare for this art show in 4 weeks. In case you don't know what an art trail is, it's basically like an art fair, but rather than having one venue, it's several houses all around that postcode. So this is the BS5 art trail. And because my flat is so small, I'll be doing it in one of the community venues, and there'll be like 7 or so other artists with me. There'll be a map and people can go and find all the different artworks and artists and just really connect with the community. These door signs have proved to be very popular, and so now I know that people like them, I'll be sourcing a better quality materials. I often get bored of the one subject matter, and so I tend to fleet around abstract portraits, wolves, and I've been really enjoying these parrots and tropical birds, which people seem to really like. Okay, that's it. So join me in the next video because I've got more preparation to do for this art trail. And so more tropical birds, more wolves, more of everything really. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can not miss these videos, and more painting on the way. So like always, I'll see you in the next video.